Hello and welcome back to Speak Anglo. I'm Kendall.
Hi, Kendall. It's great to be here again.
It's great to have you here too, Riley. You look very happy today. What's going on?
I am happy. I'm smiling because tomorrow is Valentine's Day.
Ah, yes, Valentine's Day. I had a feeling that's why you looked so excited.
I just love this day so much. Everything feels warmer and happier.
Same here. There's something special in the air. Flowers, chocolates, people smiling everywhere.
Exactly. Even the stores look different. Hearts, red decorations, and music about love.
It really is a beautiful time of year. It reminds people to show love, not just to their boyfriend or girlfriend, but to everyone they care about.
That's so true. It's all about love, kindness, and making people feel special.
And today, we're going to talk all about how we celebrate Valentine's Day.
Yes, from going out, to gifts, to funny moments, everything.
I'm excited already.
Me too. Let's get into it.
So, Riley, since Valentine's Day is coming up tomorrow, I'm really curious, how do you usually celebrate it?
Well, most years I spend the whole day with my boyfriend.
The whole day? That sounds lovely.
Yeah, we try to make it special from morning to night.
So, what happens first? How does your Valentine's Day usually start?
Usually with sweet text messages when we wake up. We say Happy Valentine's Day and send little hearts.
Oh, that's so cute.
Then we meet up and go out together.
Do you go somewhere special?
Sometimes yes, like a cafe or a nice restaurant. Other times we just walk around and enjoy the day.
That sounds very relaxing and romantic.
It is. We talk a lot, laugh a lot, and just enjoy being together.
I love that. Just simple but meaningful time.
Exactly. We don't need big plans. Just spending time together makes the day special.
And I'm guessing food is part of the plan too.
Oh yes, always. Good food is a must on Valentine's Day.
Of course it is.
We try new foods sometimes, or order our favorites.
That sounds fun.
And after that, we usually relax. Maybe sit somewhere quiet, talk about life, take pictures, and enjoy the moment.
Honestly, that sounds like the perfect Valentine's Day.
It really is. It's all about love, time, and making memories together.
I couldn't agree more. You know, hearing you talk about spending the whole day together reminds me of how my girlfriend and I celebrate.
Oh yeah? What do you usually do?
A lot of times, we like to go out in the evening.
That sounds nice.
We usually pick a calm restaurant, somewhere cozy where we can really talk.
I love places like that.
My girlfriend really enjoys quiet places. She likes soft music and warm lights.
That sounds very romantic.
Yeah, she says it feels more personal.
I understand that.
Sometimes we dress up a little, nothing too fancy, just nice clothes.
That makes it feel special.
Exactly. She loves when I wear a shirt she bought for me.
That's sweet.
And I love seeing her smile when she gets ready.
Aw,
We usually take our time at dinner, no rushing.
just enjoying the moment.
Yes, we talk about memories, funny stories, and future plans.
That sounds lovely.
But not every Valentine's Day is about going out.
True.
Some years we stay in instead.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my girlfriend actually loves staying in sometimes.
What do you do?
We make something simple together, like pasta or dessert.
That sounds fun.
She enjoys decorating the food to make it look cute.
That's nice.
Then we sit, eat slowly, and talk for a long time.
Very cozy.
After that, we usually relax, sometimes a movie, sometimes just music and talking.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is. Going out feels exciting, and staying in feels warm and comfortable.
Both sound perfect in different ways.
Exactly. What matters most is being together and enjoying the time. Do you and your boyfriend usually give each other gifts on Valentine's Day?
Yes, always. We never skip it.
I love that. What kind of gifts do you usually give?
Mostly flowers and chocolates. Sometimes a small present too, something simple but thoughtful.
That's very sweet. Flowers really make the day feel special.
They do. I love seeing them in the house all day.
Same here.
What about you and your girlfriend?
I always try to make it a surprise.
You sound like a romantic.
I try. I usually buy her chocolates because she really loves sweet things.
That's a safe choice.
Definitely. And sometimes I buy her jewelry, a necklace, earrings, or a bracelet.
That's lovely.
She gets so excited when she opens the box.
I can imagine her face.
But you know what she loves just as much?
What?
Handwritten cards.
Really?
Yes, I write her a little message about why I love her.
That's so sweet.
She reads it over and over again.
Aw,
I sometimes add a small photo of us inside the card.
that's such a nice idea.
And sometimes I hide the gift somewhere in the house and give her clues.
Like a treasure hunt?
Exactly.
That sounds fun.
It always makes her laugh and smile.
Those are the best gifts.
Yeah, expensive things are nice, but thoughtful things mean more.
I agree.
It's really about showing love and effort.
That's what makes Valentine's Day special.
You're right, thoughtful gifts really mean the most.
They really do. Sometimes a small gift can mean more than a big one.
Exactly, because it shows you were thinking about the person.
Exactly. And you know, Valentine's Day is not only for couples.
That's so true.
It's also a beautiful day to show love to family.
I completely agree with that.
I always try to do something nice for my family.
What do you usually do?
I buy flowers for my mom every year.
That's very sweet of you.
She loves flowers. She puts them in a vase and keeps them in the living room.
That must make the house look beautiful.
It does, and every time she sees them, she smiles.
I love that.
And I also get chocolates for my sister.
She must look forward to that.
Oh yes, she always asks, "Did you get my Valentine's chocolate?"
That's adorable.
Sometimes I even write her a little note.
That makes it extra special.
It really does.
I do something similar with my family too.
Tell me about it.
I usually buy small gifts for my parents.
Like what?
Sometimes chocolates, sometimes a nice card, and sometimes flowers for my mom too.
Your mom must love that.
She does. She keeps every card I give her.
That's so heartwarming.
And my dad always jokes that Valentine's Day is his favorite chocolate day. He pretends the gift is for my mom, but he eats most of it.
That sounds like my family too.
It's those little moments that make the day special.
I agree.
It's not about money or big gifts.
It's about love, attention, and time.
Exactly.
Valentine's Day is really a day to celebrate all kinds of love.
Romantic love, family love, and even friendship.
Yes, all of it matters. Talking about love and little moments really reminds me of something.
What does it remind you of?
Our first Valentine's Day with our partners.
Oh, wow, yes. I remember mine very clearly.
Really? Do you remember your first Valentine's Day with your girlfriend?
I do, and honestly, I was very nervous that day.
Nervous? Why were you so nervous?
Because I wanted everything to be perfect for her.
That's so sweet.
I kept thinking, what if she doesn't like the restaurant? What if the flowers are not nice enough? What if I say something silly?
You were really overthinking.
I really was. My heart was beating so fast.
That means you really cared.
Exactly. I wanted her to feel special.
So what happened next?
We went out for dinner together.
Were you still nervous then?
Yes, even when we sat down at the table.
Oh no.
But then I gave her the flowers.
Big bouquet, right?
Yes, very big.
That's so romantic.
When she saw them, her face lit up.
I can imagine.
She smiled and said, "They're beautiful."
Aww.
And right after that, I felt calm.
Like all the nerves disappeared?
Exactly. I felt happy and relaxed.
That must have been such a good feeling.
It was one of the best moments of my life.
Wow.
We talked, laughed, and enjoyed our food.
Sounds perfect.
Before we left, she said it was the best Valentine's Day she ever had.
That's so special.
I'll never forget that day.
My first Valentine's Day was very different.
Tell me about it.
My boyfriend and I were both extremely shy.
I can already picture it.
We sat down and didn't talk much at all.
Just smiling?
Yes, smiling and looking everywhere except at each other.
That's funny and cute.
We kept fixing our hair and touching our napkins.
Classic nervous behavior.
Finally, he said, "So, this is nice." I laughed so hard.
And then what?
After that, everything felt easier.
The nervous feeling went away?
Yes, we started talking about school, movies, and food.
Sometimes you just need one moment to relax.
Exactly.
And now you can laugh about it.
Yes, it's one of my favorite memories now.
The awkward moments often become the sweetest stories.
They really do. It's funny how the first memories stay with you forever.
They really do. You never forget your first Valentine's Day.
And every year after that feels a little easier and happier.
Yes, and you start creating even more memories together.
Some are romantic.
And some are very funny.
Exactly.
Speaking of funny moments, have you ever had a Valentine's Day that didn't go as planned?
Oh yes, more than once.
I knew it.
One year, we planned a nice walk after dinner.
That sounds lovely.
But right when we left the restaurant, it started raining really hard.
Oh no.
We had no umbrellas.
Of course.
So we ran down the street laughing and trying not to slip.
That must have been a mess.
My hair was wet, my shoes were wet, everything was wet.
But I bet you were laughing the whole time.
We were laughing so much we could barely walk.
Those are the best kinds of memories.
Yes, not perfect, but very special.
I had something similar once.
Really? What happened?
We went to a restaurant that was way too crowded.
Oh no.
There were people everywhere.
Did you have to wait long?
Almost an hour.
Wow.
At first, I was worried it would ruin the night.
I understand.
But we started talking, joking, and people watching.
That sounds fun, actually.
It was. We made up stories about the people around us. By the time we finally sat down, we were already in a great mood.
So the wait didn't feel so bad.
Not at all.
Sometimes the little problems make the day even better.
I agree. Perfect days are nice, but funny days are memorable.
Very true.
After all these memories, I'm curious about something.
What's that?
If you could plan the perfect Valentine's Day, no limits, what would you do?
I love this question.
Take your time.
Okay, in the morning, I would go to the beach with my boyfriend.
That already sounds beautiful.
We would walk along the sand and listen to the waves.
I can picture that.
Maybe we'd take pictures and laugh a lot.
That's a perfect start to the day.
Then we would sit somewhere nice and have lunch together.
With a great ocean view.
Exactly. Fresh air, good food, and good company.
That sounds so peaceful.
After lunch, we'd relax, talk, and enjoy the day slowly.
No rushing anywhere.
Yes, just enjoying the moment.
And the sunset?
Oh yes, that's the best part.
Tell me about it.
We'd watch the sun go down together, with the sky turning orange and pink.
That's very romantic.
Maybe we'd hold hands and talk about our favorite memories.
That sounds like a movie scene.
It really does.
I love your dream Valentine's Day.
Thank you. What about yours?
Mine is a little different, but just as special.
I'm listening.
I would plan a surprise trip for my girlfriend.
A surprise? Wow.
Yes, she wouldn't know where we're going.
That makes it exciting already.
We'd pack our bags and just go.
I love that idea.
Maybe we'd go somewhere quiet with lots of nature.
Like mountains or a small town?
Exactly. Somewhere peaceful and beautiful.
That sounds perfect for relaxing.
We'd walk around, take photos, and enjoy the fresh air.
No noise, no stress.
Just time together.
That sounds amazing, Kendall.
I think simple moments in beautiful places are the best gifts.
I agree completely.
After talking about all these memories and dreams, I really feel the love today.
Me too. It makes Valentine's Day feel even more special.
Valentine's Day is really about love and spending time together.
Yes, that's the most important thing, not the gifts or the money.
Just being with the people you care about.
Exactly.
Those moments are what we remember.
I really loved talking about this with you today.
Me too. It was so nice sharing our stories.
It always feels easy and fun when we talk like this.
It really does. I feel even more excited for tomorrow now.
Same here.
I hope your Valentine's Day is full of love, laughter, and good food.
Thank you. I hope yours is full of surprises and sweet moments.
I'm sure it will be a beautiful day.
No matter what we do, it will be special.
Because we're spending it with people we love.
Exactly.
All right, I'll see you next time.
See you soon.
Take care.
Bye.